The AT-Max International is Garrett's most powerful single-frequency metal detector that can be used both on land and at shallow depths. Its wide range of features make it ideal for coin shooting, relic hunting, and much more. This all-terrain detector is fully submersible to 10 feet or 3 meters. The AT-Max includes built-in Z-Link wireless technology and a pair of Garrett MS3 wireless headphones. With near zero delay, the built-in Z-Link system operates 6 times faster than Bluetooth speed. This means you are hearing your target signal while the search coil is directly over the target with no delay. Increased transmit power and enhanced electronics provide the AT-Max with significant depth increase. This detector also includes a true all-metal mode and an optimized frequency of 13.6 kHz, providing excellent detection on a wide range of targets, including silver coins, jewelry, and brass relics. The AT-Max is also sensitive enough to pick up small gold nuggets such as this. The AT-Max's features include 175 points of high-resolution ground balance, allowing the detector to efficiently handle both conductive soils, like saltwater beaches, and highly mineralized ground. Garrett's exclusive automated ground balance window feature to simultaneously ground balance to a range of values to overcome localized ground variations, smooth detector audio, and allow you to hear faint targets. A backlight for improved visibility in low-light situations, a more robust, non-absorbent, textured grip, iron audio to help avoid digging tricky, undesired flat iron items, all-metal iron audio, a Garrett exclusive feature to audibly identify discriminated iron while operating in a true all-metal mode, notch discrimination, 44 points of high-resolution iron discrimination, volume control, digital target ID with a large numeric scale from 0 to 99 for more target information, an adjustable frequency to help eliminate electrical interference or other detectors in competition hunts, and a sharp, responsive, pulse width modulation audio. Of course, with a Garrett AT detector, you can also expect fast recovery speed and excellent target separation, which means more coins and relics in your dig pouch. Powerful, wireless, all-terrain performance. The AT-Max is built for the professional treasure hunter. Assembly of your AT-Max is very simple. Loosen the lower cam lock and extend the lower stem. Insert the mounting washers. Connect the search coil to the stem and hand tighten the wing nut. Loosen and remove the upper cam lock. Slide it over the S-stem spring clips. Depress the spring clips and insert the S-stem with the control housing. It is important to engage the spring clip into the first stem opening in order to maintain battery compartment access. Hand tighten the cam lock collar, being careful not to over-tighten. Adjust the lower stem to a comfortable height and hand tighten the cam locks. Wrap the coil cable snugly around the stem with the first turn over the stem. Insert the coil connector into the control housing connector. Before attempting to insert it, notice the pin orientation of the connector. It's important to fully insert the connector to ensure proper connecting and sealing. Then, thread the collar into place until it is hand tight. Although the AT-Max is a wireless detector, There is also a 2-pin connection in the event you choose to use wired headphones, such as for underwater detecting. Again, push the connector fully into place before tightening the collar.